Top 5 animals with superpowers you didn't know existed. Here are 5 real-life animals with superpowers nature gave them. On tardigrade. The unkillable creature survives in space, radiation, even boiling water. 2 pistol shrimp. It snaps its claw so fast it creates a bubble hotter than the sun's surface. 3 immortal jellyfish. This jellyfish can reverse its age and start life again, basically immortal. 4 bombardier beetle. It shoots boiling hot chemicals from its back to scare enemies. Nature's tiny flamethrower. 5 mantis shrimp. This tiny ocean fighter punches with the speed of a bullet, strong enough to break glass.
Which one's your favorite animal superpower? Comment below and follow for more amazing facts.